So you might be in a situation where for some reason RetroArch just isn't working. Now, sometimes this can happen for really a multitude of different reasons. You're first going to want to understand what's actually not working. If for some reason you're searching for RetroArch on the Google Play Store, but it's not coming up and you're not able to search for it, or if you're on your iPhone, the same exact case, it might just mean that that application might be going under maintenance or it's banned, and they might have to just repurpose it or republish it, and then it will basically come up. Now, also, within RetroArch, there's a lot of different things you're going to have to keep in mind. You want to make sure that the ROM that you're bringing in is fully compatible, that it's fully set up, because sometimes that can also be a problem. And you might also need to load the specific core. So under loading core, if there's no cores available, you might have to download a core. So click on download core and you want to download the particular core available for your particular game that you're trying to emulate. Sometimes if you bring in the ROM, I believe it's supposed to go through and basically like prompt you, but in these cases it really doesn't. So you have to go through and you have to find that particular core and bring it in. Now if that's not working either, you might have to go through and just try updating your RetroArch application again. So go back into RetroArch right here on your Google Play Store. And what I'd recommend doing here is basically just kind of seeing if you can bring that back in and just kind of update it. And if that's still not working, try kind of restarting your Android device or your iPhone, whatever you have, and seeing if that ends up fixing it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.